We are gonna have a study break next week, so it's gonna be a good time to relax a little bit. Today I'm going to open up a new discussion, which is going to be interfacing. Very important and beneficial topic in embedded system application. So far we've learned embedded system is a system which has both software and hardware. And in the hardware part, we have both input and output. Over the last couple of weeks, we've practiced using some input, such as what? In order to have some analog input to the system, we use keypad, we use some switches. These are some of the examples in order to become familiar with interfacing. We started officially interfacing, but I haven't touched the point or I haven't touched the keyword interfacing so far. We already practiced how to use keypad in order to send some signal to the system and of course interact with some of the output. So I want you to come up with some of the examples, since I believe everybody at this point is confident to introduce some of the existing input and output in our embedded system platform, or I would say set up inside the lab. Any idea? What do we have as an input into the system? Any example of our inputs? Okay, we do have some keypads, we do have switches. What else? We do have multiple analog inputs, such as even potentiometer, such as joystick. But the one that we are using for interfacing is only the switches and the keypad. Switches and keypad, as you can also see here on my screen, they are going to be some of the devices that they can send input signal, and then we are going to display them using LCD or LED. Either of them also can be considered as some interfacing devices for embedded system. We do have LCD, we do have LED. Of course, we do have many different output devices in our setup, but the one that we are focused on learning about them as an interfacing is just LCD, LED, keypad, switch. There are many more, such as, for example, in other application, or I would say in other examples, such as even barcode reader, or even a smart card acceptor. Remember, sometimes you just scan your card. Those smart card acceptor, or all of those are going to be considered as an interfacing within an embedded system. So this is going to be what we are going to learn.